video is going to demonstrate how you would enter into our flowchart generator, Draw.io. If you go up here and type in Draw.io and hit enter, that will take you to this screen. You're going to create a new diagram, and we will call the diagram. We will name it up here. So you would name it whatever flowchart you're making at the time. I'm just going to name it an example. And then blank flowchart and create. We do want to save it in our root folder. This means that you will be able to find it in your Google Drive. Now, as that process is open, you'll notice that the name of your flowchart is up here. It's important that you make sure that that is there. You'll notice here on the left-hand side, under General, you will have several different choices for your flowchart. Remember in this class that we actually use a specific kind of shape for the commands. So to begin our flowchart, you'll just click, and then you can type in your information. You can also change that font style over here on the side. You can change the appearance of the font. There's text alignment. You can play around and explore with all of these different options. You can change the color and the background color, and just kind of see what that looks like as you are creating your shapes. Now, as you extend your flowchart and start to build your process, you'll notice that if you hover over the area of the first shape, you can click on that and it will allow you to draw a shape to start the flow of the process. So you want the arrow to point to the latest step. And then you can put in your information here. Or whatever your command is. It does have a spell check feature, so if you right click on that, you can choose. And again, you can change the appearance over here if you want. And you'll just continue building your flowchart. Now remember, we begin and end with the oval. We have commands in the rectangle. And then we also have conditionals, which would be in the rhombus. The closest we're going to find in our choices would be the diamond, and you can extend that and make it a rhombus and just continue to build your flowchart. Now, when you are done building your flowchart and you've completed everything and you're sure that you're done with it, you can go over here and click on Share. I usually click to where anyone with a link can view, and you can click on this link right here and choose that as an option. And then you can click on Copy Link and then go into Schoology or whatever learning management program you're submitting your work in, and you can share that link to your teacher. Now, to look at that, if you paste that link, then when I open it up on my end, I will see your full flowchart. Okay, and that is perfectly fine to submit your flowchart like that. And that concludes the video on using Draw.io to generate your flowchart.